We are going to be switching out a TruArc 15 vial. To do so, open up the compass and flip it over. Now, using a small pry tool, you're going to gently lift the meridian plate out of the compass. Careful not to bend the small legs of the meridian. Next, you're going to flip back over the compass and, bracing the azimuth ring and the base, you're going to put pressure on the center of the vial to push it out. Now, grabbing your new vial, you're going to add grease to the new vial. Placing it down, making sure the red and white are up on your needle. You're going to place it and press lightly down to put the new vial into place. Give it a quick spin to ensure the grease is fully applied all the way around. Wipe off the excess. Now, you want to set the compass to 180. Taking your meridian, to make this a little bit easier, you can remove the back cling. And what you're going to do is put the meridian plate back onto the compass. As you can see, the azimuth is at 180, and you want to zero the meridian plate out to that 180. Now simply set your vial back with the meridian plate, taking your back cling, you can simply replace that. Alright, in order to set declination on your TruArc 15 or 20, simply pinch the vial, putting your forefinger in the hole in the back and putting your thumb on top. Simply rotate the vial while holding the azimuth in place. Turning the vial so that the red line matches up to the zero on the meridian plate. All you have to do from there is turn your vial back to 180 into the window of your compass, and you have set the declination. And there you have it. You have successfully replaced the TruArc 15 vial.